So, finally back, and I know the channel name is Southside Moto, and this isn't a dirt bike, but right now I'm tearing this motor apart, and I'm gonna do a series on this jet ski, getting it fixed back up. I've already got the motor torn down, got everything off the motor, but now I'm probably gonna put you on the GoPro and try to figure out. There's a jet drive right in here. I'm gonna pull it out, check the bearings in there because it does rattle, so we're thinking one of the bearings is gone out. So I'm gonna pull that, check the bearings, maybe re-grease them. I need to look at the impeller too, because I don't know how many hours this jet ski has on it. It's a 99. So anyway, the piston, the bad piston that I took out, well, all of them are bad, they need to be replaced, but the really bad one was really bad. So I just pulled the air filter. You gotta point it at me, Corbin. I got my little brother Corbin behind the camera, so the footage is a little shaky, that's why. I got the air filter out of my dirt bike. I forgot to film putting the air cleaner on. I use the Maxima. I'm pretty sure it is air filter cleaning oil, and you don't have to move that much, Corbin. So pull the air filter off, got the cleaner on there. So right now I'm working that in to the filter, get all the dirt, grime out, and then let this dry, put on the filter oil, and then toss this thing back in the dirt bike. So for the Maxima air filter oil and cleaner, you spray it on there, rinse it out, and then put it in a bucket of warm water with a little bit of dish soap, and then you soak it, squeeze all the little dirt bits and the rest of the cleaner that can be in there, let it air dry, and then throw the filter oil on, and that is what keeps the small dust. It catches on to that oil instead of just going through into your motor, because that will decrease the life of your motor by a lot. Just realized one of my rear fender, not rear fender, my rear number plate bolts fell out. This one fell out. I took this one out to get my air filter off, and I have these zip ties on here because with this grab hole cut, there's not much for the these covers to hang on to, so they kind of move a lot. But this bolt right here, I think I have another one that I can use. Run over to my parts shelf real quick. My stand doesn't work. Focus. There we go. This is some parts for the suspension, and then these are bolts. That came from the 85 that I had for a while. I need something like this bolt right here. There we go. Subscribe, like the video. I don't know how much longer there is in this video. I don't know. I gotta add some riding clips because I filmed some on the GoPro this afternoon. But whatever. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Oh,